Can Relay Bank be trusted? Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Relay Bank. I've been getting a lot of questions about this bank lately, and I wanted to take some time to answer them. What is Relay Bank? Relay Bank is a new online bank that is based in the United States. It was founded in 2021 by a group of former employees from Goldman Sachs and Silicon Valley Bank. Relay Bank is a member of the FDIC, and it is insured up to $250,000 per depositor. Relay Bank's features. Relay Bank offers a number of features that are designed to appeal to young adults. These features include no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, high-yield savings account, early direct deposit, peer-to-peer payments, bill pay, mobile check deposit, ATM access, customer support. Relay Bank's fees. Relay Bank does not charge any monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. However, there are some fees that you should be aware of. Out-of-network ATM fees, $2.50 per withdrawal. Overdraft fees, $25 per occurrence. Return check fees, $35 per occurrence. Foreign transaction fees, 3% of the transaction amount. Relay Bank security. Relay Bank uses a number of security measures to protect your money. These measures include two-factor authentication, biometric login, fraud monitoring, encryption. Relay Bank's customer service. Relay Bank offers a number of customer service options. These options include phone support, email support, live chat support, social media support. Relay Bank's reviews. Relay Bank has received a number of positive reviews from customers. Customers have praised the bank's user-friendly app, its high-yield savings account, and its customer service. However, some customers have complained about the bank's ATM fees and its limited ATM network. Is Relay Bank right for you? Relay Bank is a good option for young adults who are looking for a no-frills online bank with a high-yield savings account. However, it is important to be aware of the bank's ATM fees and its limited ATM network. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Relay Bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.